What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here, and welcome to UL Exchange. If you guys are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information packed videos just like the one you're watching right now. Before we even get into anything, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. And this video and every video, I present you guys with the truth and the facts. You behind the screen, you make the final call, so do your own research. But now let's get straight into the topic. Today's video, we'll be talking about why so many whales are buying up XRP. There's a lot of whale activity, okay? We have seen and covered tons and tons of whale activity. This will probably be the main video to cover all of them in one single video. Especially now, as we're hearing so many things about the case proceeding to closely being ending, we are seeing a huge activity of whales. So let's just get straight into the video, and then we'll find out five reasons why we are seeing so much whale activity. The whole cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at $857 billion, 24-hour volume 22 billion, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum dominance, and Ethereum gas fees hanging around the same price. And we can see XRP price is currently at 38 cents. 19 billion in volume, and you can see it just consolidating in between. Again, guys, I have a Telegram group below in the link description. If you guys are interested, join it. It's for everybody to just talk and come up with whatever we see. We can combine it, and then we can speak about it freely. So it's a free community. Please join if you're interested, and we can just discuss. But continuing on this video, why do whales keep on accumulating? Let me tell you guys a couple reasons. I have 5 reasons, but starting off with the first thing is what? The dollar is failing. The dollar is becoming weaker. So that leads us to a conclusion that if the dollar is becoming weaker, and if you haven't seen my previous video, which I posted yesterday, watch it and then come back and continue this video. The dollar is getting weaker, so what's going to replace it? CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, and the BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, plus, don't forget the plus, okay? The plus is for any other country like Afghanistan, UAE, Saudi, trying to join, and such as Zimbabwe as well, applying to join it. So they will demolish the petrodollar and become a one single unit with the BRICS nation, just like we see with the NATO. Even though NATO is a military alliance, again, anything that has some alliance with money in it can be used for military purposes as well. So they don't quantify or reason that the BRICS alliance is not a military alliance, it's an economic alliance. But again, if you thrive in economic together, then I'm sure you'll support each other in military infrastructure as well. So the dollar is failing, and those BRICS nations are looking for destroying the petrodollar. We have made that clear. But what are they also looking for? To make a CBDCs and use it on the XRP ledger. Okay, so now we're going to get into the second thing. Being the blockchain payment technology, the world bridge currency, XRP is the only one. XRP is the only one to provide that, and they all know it. They all know it, guys. They're not stupid. They're leading countries for a reason. They're in that position for a reason. They all know it now, but they all didn't know it back then. We'll get into that point in a little bit. But because they all know it now, they're trying to push everything they can and make sure United States is not the only economic superpower in the world leading the whole economy. You buy oil, you buy commodities, basically, specifically talking about oil, you buy it with US dollars. That's why it's called the petrodollar. If the UAE gets out of it, United Arab Emirates, and they stop using the dollar to purchase oils or to get oil, or you give them dollars for them to export oil out of the country, then what else will be used? A CBDC. CBDC that will benefit all the BRICS nations. And once that is used, the dollar price would demolish to the ground. And what's the United States going to come up with? Their own central bank digital currencies, introduce it to the public, and then so on and so forth. And that's the main reason I believe why Ripple even made a statement saying by 2025, it should be 50% of the world using central bank digital currencies. Now we'll be getting into the third point, which is the G20 leaders. And what are the G20 leaders, or G20 or Group of 20 is an intergovernmental forum comprising 19 countries and the European Union. It works to address major issues related to the global economy, such as international financial stability, climate change, right? Climate change, climate change mitigation and sustainable development, founded in 26 September 1999. And the founders of these are the Group of 7. And who are the Group of 7? Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the United Kingdom and the United States are the Group of 7, and they founded the G20 movement. So the G7, right, guys? So that's why you hear people saying G7 classified, G20 classified, so on and so forth. Now we're going to get into what's truly helping out the world economies. Ripple launches crypto-based WhatsApp remittance between Mexico and the US, XRP to profit, of course. So we'll read a little bit and understand what's going on. Ripple on-demand liquidity is gaining more traction in the Latin America cross-border settlement. Is it really? Of course it is, isn't it? Isn't it going to be, guys? Ripple partner and Latin America largest cryptocurrency platform, Bitso, has joined forces with remittance provider Felix Pago to enable WhatsApp-based crypto-power payments between the United States and Mexico. I should just sign off and leave right now. Isn't it the same kind of thing Elon Musk is talking about? Saying he wants to integrate payments like WeChat, what's going on with China, everything integrated into one single platform. If cross-border payments or crypto-powered payments between the United States and Mexico are integrated within a single application, at that point you only need somebody's cell phone to send them some money. There will be literally a point where your phone number is connected to your cryptocurrency wallet or your central bank digital currency, and everything will be transmitted through that. It's all connected. Please, guys, understand, it's literally all connected. The Mexico remittance corridor is one of the biggest in the Latin America region. In 2021, Mexico received an estimated 51.6 billion with a B on it in remittances in 2021, which accounts for 40.4% of all Latin American remittances. The region also received a record of $127.6 face-melting $billion in remittances during the year, a year-over-year growth of 26%. Felix Pago is a provider of quote-unquote chat remittance technology. You see how it's all connected, right? Its payment services, or service launched earlier in 2022, works over WhatsApp. Who bought WhatsApp? Facebook. The whole stock is crumbling down. What do they need to revive it back? You guessed it right. It allows users to perform transactions over the instant messenger platform as easily as sending a text message. I get my phone, send a text message, or matter of fact, I just sent you 1,000 XRP. I get my phone, I just sent you 10 XRP. That's really how it's gonna go. I just sent you some USDC, or United States digital central bank digital currency. That's really how it's gonna go, guys. And quote unquote, Felix Pago said, "We have chosen Bitso to facilitate these payments due to its reputation and experience as a transparent and regulated company that successfully makes cross-border payments with crypto for millions of users," he said. Is Ripple transparent and regulated? No, it's not. And it's definitely not transparent. But it's going to be regulated when regulations come for Ripple. And maybe Ripple XRP will be the only cryptocurrency that is technically regulated. Who knows? Who knows? XRP to benefit in the long term from on-demand liquidity services. The Bitso and Felix Page partnership is not the only recent expansion that Ripple's ODL services has recorded. ODL, which utilizes XRP, has been onboarding more remittance markets as well as servicing retail payments from small and medium-sized enterprises and merchants. Now let's get into the fourth. No. Not enough XRP in the world. That's why all these whales are accumulating, right? you see so many whales coming in, unknown wallets coming in, accumulating XRP. There's not enough XRP in the world. The quantity of XRP, as you guys can see it here, is 100 billion. The maximum XRP. And the circulating supply of XRPs, half of that was being 50.4 billion. There's not enough. These prices have to be extremely high. Extremely high. 38 cents is a joke. That's why I say the price is fake. And that's the reason I can do technical analysis for you guys, show you guys on TradingView. But at the same time, that will only tell us the current state of the price. It will be unquantifiable when the price goes crazy that your technical analysis will not even justify the price for us to understand what the price just did. And I consider myself a TA expert, but I still could not quantify the future of XRP. I can show you guys it can go to $20 on previous trends, but I can't show you that it's meant to go to $1,000 because the price won't even let it. That means this is something nobody has ever seen before. The same way with Bitcoin, same way with cryptocurrencies. But XRP is truly, truly different. Now let's get into the last and fifth thing being, if they understand technology before in 2017, we wouldn't be having this conversation right now. We really would not be having this conversation. I would not be recording this and posting it on YouTube, because if the banks understood the technology, let's say in 2017, and they purchased up all XRP on the markets, on the open market, or even contacted Ripple and said, hey, we want XRP. We are ready to utilize it. We're going to be working on it. Give us what you have, the on-demand liquidity. We're ready to go. If they truly understood it, we would not be having this conversation. None of us would be having XRP, because it's not meant for us. It's not meant for us to hold. It's not meant for us to transact. It's meant for the banks and institutionals and central banks and countries to transact on the private ledger, and hence vice versa on the public ledger. So that's the main reason whales are accumulating. Actually, these are 5 reasons why whales are accumulating. So I hope you guys understood what the reasons are, and please do your own research. I'm Crypto E with UL Exchange. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. Just be ready. If these people are putting millions and billions of dollars on the line of their own money to purchase a token that most people would just disregard as trash, what is truly going on in the world? Put your money where your mouth is. I'm Crypto E with UL Exchange. I love y'all. Peace out.